Your Excel spreadsheet has 25 rows of sales data across 4 regions and 3 categories. But finding exactly what you need means scrolling, squinting, and guessing. There's a one-click fix for that, and I'm going to show you right now. Today, we are talking about slicer buttons in Excel, a feature that lets you filter your data instantly just by clicking a button. No formulas, no coding, nothing complicated. I've got this retail sales spreadsheet in front of me with 25 records covering regions like North America, Europe, Asia Pacific, and the Middle East. Product categories including electronics, clothing, and home and garden, along with units sold, cost price, and sales price for each record. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to add slices to this. Before we can insert slices, Excel needs to reorganize our data as a proper table. So the very first thing we do is highlight the entire table data by Control A, hit Control T, then click OK. You'll notice the header row changes color and each column now has a little arrow on it. That's our table. We are ready. Now, under Table Design, you'll find Insert Slicer. A dialog box pops up listing every column in our table. I'm going to select region and category and hit OK. 2 slicer panels have appeared on the sheet, one showing our 4 regions and one showing our 3 product categories. Now, an entire slicer ribbon would be created. You could customize the slicer by whatever style you want. You could bring it forward, bring it backward. You could change the height and width of the slices. Go ahead and drag the slices. I like my slices next to the table. Step 3, filter the data. Here's where it gets fun. I'll click Asia Pacific in the region slicer. The table instantly updates. Only Asia Pacific rows are showing. Japan, South Korea, Australia, all there, everything else is hidden. Now, I'll click electronics in the category slicer. The table narrows down even further. I'm now looking at only electronic sales from Asia Pacific. Units sold, cost price, sale price, all right there. That's 2 filters applied in 2 clicks. Want to switch? I'll click Europe instead, and the table immediately updates to show all European records across all 3 categories. Germany, France, the UK, Italy, Spain, all visible. Step 4, clear the filters. To go back to the full dataset, just hit the clear filter icon at the top right corner of each slicer. It looks like a small funnel with an X through it. 1 click per slicer and everything resets. Clean and simple. Step 5, multi-select. One more thing before we wrap up. See that icon right next to the clear filter button? That's multi-select. Click it and you can now select more than one option at a time. So if I click North America and then Middle East, both are highlighted and the table shows records from both regions together. Great for doing quick comparisons without building a whole separate report. And that's it. If this was helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Drop a comment below letting me know what Excel tip you want to see covered. I read every single one. See you in the next video.